What's going on, guys? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift For Gold back at you with another video. So today we're doing Thrifting For Gold. We're at our Goodwill. We're gonna be hitting up 4 Goodwills actually. So this is our first one that we always go to. We got dollar tag day. Let's hope we get a huge haul going today.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Last time we were talking about a bra.
This one's really good and all. We would have got it. We would have paid a little more for it, but you gotta look out for those things. Alright guys, so we just got out of there. We got, I don't even know how many things. We spent like 16 bucks. Kristina actually did find a bra that was $5, so we paid up for that. On to the next thrift store. Alright guys, we're at store number 2. They opened an hour earlier than we thought, so we gotta get in there quick because there's probably already a lot of people picking.
Look at all these. We can't really see.
But yeah, this is the Goodwill where they have a ton of clothes, so we expect to score big in this one. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that haul video, we actually didn't end up filming what we got yesterday, so we're doing it now today. So we got everything right in front of us. It's a big bin of stuff.
Yeah.
I'll show you. So we got all of this, and we're gonna be breaking it down, what we bought.
Alright, so first of the few things that we bought were a few Victoria's Secret bras. So one of the bras that we picked up was a gray size 36D Victoria's Secret bra. It has like purple and pink stripes on it, and because it is a bigger size, we ended up going with it because bigger size of bras usually sell a lot quicker. We just haven't got this up yet, so we'll see if it sells quick, but that was one of the first bras we picked up.
Yeah, we haven't listed anything in this pile yet because we've actually been saving it for this video because we forgot to film.
Yes.
So next is another bra. We ended up actually picking up 4 bras. So this one is...
It's another Victoria's Secret bra. It's pink and black, like lacy. It's a little bit of a smaller size. It's a 34B, but still it's a nice Victoria's Secret bra, so we know it'll definitely sell well. And the third bra that we got was another Victoria's Secret bra. It's pink and blue with flowers all over it. It's lacy. Another smaller size, the 32C, but still a really cool bra. So from Victoria's Secret, so it'll definitely sell well.
Yeah. And then the last bra we got.
The fourth and final bra was another Victoria's Secret bra, but it's a little bit bigger this time. It's a 38D. So that one we assume will probably sell just by its size because it is a bigger size. Like we said, they sell quickly, and being that it's Victoria's Secret, it's nice. It's just a black bra, so those will go nice and quick. So we paid $4.99 for each of the bras, so we did pay up a little bit for them, but definitely worth it because there's a good amount of money to be made with the bras.
Yeah, and we made sure there was no rips or tears in any of the bras and that they were clean. So then we'll start it off with the clothing. Is we got a nice Tommy Hilfiger long sleeve polo. It's got a nice embroider on the pocket. It's a size medium, so nice Tommy Hilfiger. So there's no rips, no stains or anything, so we're super excited to pick it up. We love picking up Tommy.
Alright, so the next thing that we picked up was a Nautica button-up. It's like a salmon and white colored striped. It's got all the buttons, which is nice. It's a long sleeve. I know it's kind of out of the season, but dress shirts are always kind
for
of
$1
in season. Yeah, for $1, it's worth it.
And so the next we found, I actually found a NASCAR t-shirt. So it's Joey Wagano, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing that name right. But it's got a front and back to it, so pretty cool. The tag's pretty normal, it's nothing old or anything, and it's actually had like a tag on it, so it can be brand new with tags. So really cool to find that for just $1 in the thrift store. And
it's a Daytona 500 shirt, so that's a popular NASCAR thing, so hopefully
we're not too into that, but if it sells, it sells.
Yes. The next that we found at the thrift store was a Brooks Brothers blue button-up. This one, I don't remember if Martin found it or if I found it, but I looked up the comps for it, and the comps are like $22 to $26, so for $1, that's a pretty good flip. But it's just a blue denim-like kind of long sleeve button-up. Although I'm not really sure if the cuffs are missing the buttons or not, because they're not there on both of them, and it doesn't look like there was a button there prior, so I'll have to look up other Brooks Brothers shirts, but yeah, we weren't sure on that.
Yeah, okay, and so the next I found this Harley Davidson t-shirt, and I was super excited about it. It's got embroidered on it and everything, like a nice cotton feel to it, just white and black, but it's like a South Towns Buffalo type of local. So it might sell for something because it is Harley Davidson and it is embroidered, but it does say like something local to where we live, so it might not be anything special.
Yeah, we never know though. You never know, because sometimes like you never know if someone's looking for a Buffalo, like if they're from Buffalo but moved out of town.
We could do a local pickup with them.
Yes, exactly.
The next thing I found was this cat t-shirt. Actually, it's kind of like a Biggie Small cat t-shirt. I actually found it. It was for $1. I wanted to kind of test it to see if cool graphics just go well. Because the tag of it was a Gillidan t-shirt. So it's nothing that really is worth something, but it might go for something because it's got a cool design that somebody might just like.
Maybe we'll have to test it out.
Yeah.
Alright, so next at the thrift store we found a red Nike t-shirt. It's just a regular kind of plain t-shirt that Nike has, but it features USA on it, so that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
But for $1, you know, Nike always sells. So.
We love picking up Nike.
Yes. And then another thing that I actually found at the thrift store was this Eddie Bauer like striped long sleeve polo kind of thing. It's got a cool colorway to it. I don't know if it's vintage or not. I don't really have much experience with Eddie Bauer. We kind of just started picking their stuff up, but we know that it does have good comps. And yeah, so I saw the tag. I was like, let's try it out. It's for $1.
And so then next I found this Alfred University just crew neck. It had the embroidered. Kind of, again, this was a test. I know we really shouldn't be testing, but for $1, sometimes I can't pass these things up, guys. So, like I said, there's nothing to the tag like just the last t-shirt, and yeah, it's just going to be a test to see if something like this would sell, like a university t-shirt or hoodie, so you'll know it for here, guys.
Yeah. Hopefully. Alfred University is a smaller college, but this is a really, really cool, like, crew neck. Like, the patch, I don't know if it's a patch or if it's embroidered. It's really cool. Alright, and then another thing that we found at the thrift store was this Ralph Lauren long sleeve button-up dress shirt. It's blue with, like, some stripes on it, so it's pretty cool, and the tag is actually, it's not a purple tag, but it does look a little bit older than any of the other Ralph Lauren tags that we found, so it's pretty cool.
If that's an older tag, let us know.
Yeah. And then another thing that we found at the thrift store that I picked up actually was this pair of Express shorts. They're like a bright red color, and I figured with summer it was a good pick because for $1, why not? We had really good luck with Express, and these are some pretty nice shorts.
So then I found this Metallica t-shirt, which was really cool. I was super excited for it. I could have swore it was $1, but it actually ended up being $4.99. So not the end of the world, definitely paid up for it. It's got a front and back. Always been looking for like an old concert t-shirt like this, so super cool that we finally got one. And it's super nice too. It's got like, it doesn't even seem like it's been worn that much, so just really excited to get this one.
Yeah, and we were looking at the comps for it. That's because when I was going through all of the items, I noticed that it was orange tag, not yellow tag, and I was like, oh no. So then I decided to look up the comps, and the comps are still like $28 for some of the stuff. So, and it's for the identical shirt, so that's pretty cool.
That's really nice.
Yes. And then next we found this Express men's like sweater pullover. It's just a nicer material. It's pretty soft. It looked pretty new. There's no like stretching to it. So for $1, it's not bad, even if we can sell it for like 10 bucks because I know it's summertime.
Yeah. And then I found another t-shirt that had nothing to it. So like I said, guys, I'm just experimenting. It's a Duck Dynasty t-shirt, so I figure it should probably sell. It's got no rips or stains or anything. I made sure it was clean before I bought it, and bought it for $1.
And it's a 2 extra large, I think,
yeah.
So it'll definitely go
well. It's a nice size.
Either way. And then next I found in the women's section this limited shirt. It's like a blue sweater tied to the side, long sleeve, like just blouse, and at the thrift store I didn't even actually notice it was new with tags, so that was exciting to come home and find that. But the limited, I don't know if they went out of business, but I know it was like a nicer retail shop that you could get clothes at, so it's pretty cool to find that new with tags. Cool. Yeah. Maybe
a quick little bolo.
Yes.
Hopefully it sells. We'll let you guys know. And then I found this t-shirt. We don't like this, but we've sold one before actually, so it's a New England Patriots t-shirt, so figure it's a Shop NFL t-shirt. They always sell. New England's probably the best team, even though we hate them. So yeah, we picked it up for $1.
So then last at the second Goodwill that we picked up, I actually found this pair of Levi shorts. I've never sold Levi before, but they're expensive in stores. So I figured we could get something out of it because we picked them up for $1, so selling them for a small profit is still nice. But surprisingly enough to me, the comps are around 15 to 20 bucks, so that's a good flip for a pair of shorts.
That's nice. And then so now we're breaking into the second bag that we got actually at the first Goodwill. I know we said we were going to go to 4 Goodwills that day, but we spent so much at just the first 2. We kind of had to call it there, guys.
And we got so many things. Like, we don't usually ever get this much, and so I don't want to get overwhelmed with inventory again.
So we're about halfway through this haul, so if you have stuck around, thank you so much. We really appreciate you. You rock. But let's break into this bag. First things first.
Eddie Bauer pants, actually. So crazy enough, like we said, we're just starting to get into Eddie Bauer.
We just learned about that.
I don't even remember picking these up, to be honest with you. But it's just a nice pair of like brown khaki pants. So classic pants will go for a good amount. And another Tommy for your mommy, we found these pajama pants. I actually found them in the quick last second that I scanned the store. I'm like, all right, am I missing anything? And I saw these just plaid ones sticking out of the swim trunk area, actually. And I looked them up, or I looked at them and I was like, wow, Tommy Hilfiger.
For $1, why not? So Kristina bought this bra thinking for selling, but actually as we're looking at it right now, look at that.
Ripped.
So
we're preaching about telling you guys to look over bras and
learn from our mistakes. That's a big no-no. That was actually it was a $1 bra.
Yeah,
but
that
still.
one was $1, but but another thing that we picked up, luckily enough for us, doesn't have any rips on it this time. Well, it's just a Nike dry fit running t-shirt. It's kind of like camo with stripes to it almost. So
while we're filming the B-roll, we just realized that there's a snag on this shirt. We should have looked harder.
Lame. Pretty cool. It'll definitely sell, so.
And then next I found these Columbia shorts. So they're just a gray khaki pair of shorts. Nothing crazy, but a nice pair of Columbia that someone might get for hiking or something one day.
Exactly. And another Columbia, actually. We found this brown fleece. I think it's a women's one, but regardless, Columbia fleeces always sell well. So maybe it's something we could hold on to until winter time, so we don't take a big loss or anything on it because they sell at higher prices during winter times.
Yeah.
And actually, another bra we just found. We keep forgetting that we bought so many bras that day. But this one we paid up for as well. It was $4.99, but it's another Victoria's Secret bra. Smaller size, but it's a cooler pattern, and it's also unlined. And a lot of people like to look for unlined bras because in stores they kind of push the push-up bras, and so there's not as many unlined bras.
And then next I found this Empire hoodie. So it's kind of like a skateboarder brand, so I definitely wanted to pick it up for $1 and sell it because we've had great luck with skateboarding brands. So it's not the best brand, but it's definitely something that's worth more than $1.
Alright, and then another thing that we found was this men's express pea coat. It's an extra small, but it's just a black, nice pea coat, so it'll definitely go. Maybe it's another thing that we can hold until the winter time, because we don't want it to go for like $5 or something.
And that's something too, if you don't do clothing, or if you do clothing, you might have to wait on some things for it to sell. You just have to wait for the right buyer.
Alright, and this one I found again at the last minute while I was scanning, but it's just a nice Calvin Klein black button-up dress shirt kind of. So anything black Calvin Klein I feel like sells really quickly, so it'll definitely be a good flip.
Definitely worth the $1.
Yes.
So the next was the Field and Stream that you actually saw in the first montage. It was just the one clip I got. Didn't really film as much as we wanted to in the thrift stores, which we're definitely learning to get better at, but filmed this, and this was a really cool sweater that we could get. It was like a flannel. And
if you guys know what cabin socks are, this is the brand that makes cabin socks, so it's a good brand.
Yeah. And then finally, the last thing, guys. So again, thank you for sticking in this video. I know it was a lot longer of a haul video, but it's gonna happen when we have a big haul.
So this last one is a pair of Banana Republic like black and blue striped shorts. They're pretty cool looking to me. I think they're like a chino kind of short material, so they're definitely nice, and we've had pretty good luck with Banana Republic. Like we've said before, it's a higher end brand that you can get your work clothes from, or even these shorts. Yeah.
So that was our haul from yesterday. We picked those all up on Dollar Tag Day, so everything that we bought pretty much besides the bras were $1, and the 1 or 2 t-shirts that accidentally slipped in there, because that can happen. But overall, we're super excited to list them all and get the profits from them. So that was our haul video. Thank you guys for watching. If you are an OG subscriber, shout out to you. You were really awesome.
And all the new ones.
Yes, if you're a new subscriber, thank you. We really appreciate you. Smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions, or if you want to share any love, or reach out to us on Instagram, because we always get back to you. So yeah, that was our video. Have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Peace.
First of the few things that we bought were a few Victoria's Secret bras. Gray, purple stripes. What is this color? Pink?
Like reddish, pink and purple stripes.
That's not it. Oh, what is this?
So next is another bra. We had 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 bras.
Yeah.
So next is another bra. We ended up actually picking up 4 bras. So this one is...
What this? What this? What this?
Oh. Okay, so then we'll start it off with the clothing. Is we got some Tommy for your mommy.
You seem very nervous.
I know, I don't know. It was just because I said Tommy for your mommy. It was very weird.
What this? What this? So I'll have to look up other Brooks Brothers shirts, but yeah, we weren't sure on that.
Yeah.
Pause, look at this. Neither of them have them, but there's buttonholes. But like...
Maybe it's like it comes with a button that you shove through it and clasp.
Oh, maybe.
Okay, and so then next